around, and what first thing we're going to do is we're going to go to the music video download. Now I've already added a few artists to my system, but I'm going to add another one so that you can see how it's done. So in this case I'm going to add in Shania Twain, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to spell Shania wrong on purpose so that you can see the spell checking feature. Okay, and then we're going to go ahead and we're going to put a genre in, and then I'm going to go ahead and add it. Now, you'll notice that as I go ahead to add it, it's going to go out and it's going to check the spelling on it. If it determines that the spelling is wrong, it's going to go ahead and prompt us with a message saying, hey, I don't think it's spelled right. Would you like me to update it? And if you insist that it's spelled correctly, you can say add it anyways and leave the spelling the way it is, or you can say go ahead and fix it. And so if you say update the spelling, it automatically puts the correct spelling in. Click the add button one more time, and then it'll get added to the list. Now, anything on our list, any of the artists that we've added, we'll go ahead and we'll go to Shania Twain because we just added her. And then we'll go ahead and we'll click the find videos. So it'll go out and it'll hit the Vivo site and it will pull down all the art. And as it's coming down, you'll see down here at the bottom, it's downloading the search engine art, which is a low resolution snapshot of the actual music video. And you'll see that there's 20 music videos, and so far it's downloaded 10 of them as far as the search engine goes. And we had a little pause there. Our internet connection seemed to be stumbling there for a moment. Anyways, so now we have a list of all of the music videos that are available on the Vivo site that we can download. And so to download any one of the music videos, we click on it, and as you'll see, the images change so we can see which one it is if you can't remember the song. And you'll note that if it looks like a music video, then it most likely is. If it looks like them in concert, then it's usually a live version. So this particular music video has her live in concert as opposed to being a pre-made production type video. Anyways, so to download any one of the videos, we would click Get the Video. Now, if we wanted to get all the videos in the list, we'd click Get Video Lists. Then it will prompt us and say, are you sure you want to do this? And if you click yes, it'll start downloading all the music videos and all the information that goes with it. Music Video Flow will automatically download the CD cover that the music video came from. It'll fill in what the artist's name is, the album, and it'll get up to 10 pieces of fan art in high resolution, high def fan art for Music Flow, and then it'll create a cover and an image for it. So in this case, we're not going to download any of these in the interest of time, but it's as simple as that. And if you wanted to get videos for all the artists, then you would say get all artist videos, and then we'd get every artist. It would check each one of them one at a time, and if you already had it, it will automatically skip it. So if you've already downloaded all of Shania Twain's and we said download it again, it would automatically pop back and say, hey, I've already downloaded it. Are you sure you want to do this? But if you're doing it automatically, it'll skip them automatically if it already sees there on the disc. So what we're going to do now is after we downloaded a music video, we'll go over here to where we've got the cover art. Now you'll note that basically this is a custom cover that's designed by Music Video Flow, which of course was designed by me. Anyways, and we'll see here, this is what the custom cover is going to look like. This is what the CD jacket looks like. And these are clips from the music video. So let's say that when Music Video Flow, it will randomly pick where it's going to get the screenshot from. Let's say that it was black or it wasn't any good, you couldn't see it very good, and we wanted to update it. Or let's say that the cover didn't come back for the CD and it didn't find it correctly. First thing we would do is we'd say I want to update the images. What it'll do is it will automatically make a copy, so it'll create a temporary working copy of the music video into this window. Then using these scroll buttons or grabbing the bar, moving it back and forth, we can cycle through the music video and see different screenshots. And when we find the one we want to use, so let's say we scroll through and we say we want to use for image 1, let's say we get far enough into the music video and let's say we want to move in, let's say we go all the way over here. There we have, and then we have a nice shot of him. And we'll go ahead and we'll click Update Image 1. So now we've just updated Image 1. We could do the same thing with Image 2. And we'll go through the images and we'll find the one we want. And when we get on the image that we want to put in for the second piece, let's say this one, we click Update Image 2. So now we've just updated the 2 images that are going to go into the cover. When we're done, we click the Done button. Music Video Flow will automatically update them and make you a new cover. And it's that simple. Same thing goes with the replace cover. If you click the replace cover, it allows you to go pick a new cover off of your hard drive and paste it right in there in place of the one you have there And it's that simple. If we could cancel, it won't be updated. So now we've just updated the cover in case music video randomly picks where it's going to grab a screenshot from. So maybe it was black or it was a transition or you didn't like the way it looked and you wanted to pick a different one. It's that simple. And these tools are made to be very, very user-friendly and simple for the user to use. Okay, so we're going to go to the preview screen, and this allows us to play back the music video. It'll show one of the screenshots from the capture, and clicking the play button will play the music video. That's simple. If for some reason you had a music video and it was a 4:3 and you had a licensed copy of video to HD, it will automatically convert it to 16:9 for you, and will use any one of the video formats that you selected. Okay, so now we're going to go to fan art. Now in the fan art section, we'll go down and we see the artist, complete description of the artist or / band in this case. And this is Aaron Tippin. It tells us when he started doing his music and when he stopped. So if he was dead, there would be ending year. If not, it goes to the present day. And then down here, we can see all the fan art gathered for him. If we use the up and down arrows, we can scroll through it. But we can see here, in this case, there's only one piece of fan art. So we're going to go down to Shania Twain because we just added her. But because we haven't grabbed any music videos, you'll find that there's not going to be any information about her. In this case, there is some. And let's say that up here we see some funny characters. We didn't like them and we wanted to get rid of them. We can say edit the artist info. We move our mouse over. We get rid of whatever we didn't like. Fill in whatever we wanted to put in. And then we click the done button. And then it's automatically updated. Same thing goes for the fan art. So as we scroll through here, we can see all the different fan art by her. And let's say we liked everything. Let's say we want to add another fan art because we can have up to 10 pieces. So if we click add a piece of fan art, then we can go to artist images. And in this case, we're going to go over here to Shania Twain. So here's a new piece of fan art by Shania Twain. And voila, and I've just added a piece of fan art. Now there's 8 of them. So let's say I went back and I said, okay, this one, it doesn't look very good. I don't like this one. So I'm going to click delete. It says, sure you want to delete it. Boom. Now it's no longer in the list. We go through and now we have all 7 of the fan arts. Is that simple? That's all there is to it. Same thing goes for page info. When we download a music video, it fills in the artist name, the album or CD that it came from, the studio, the year, how long it was, and then what genre. So if we wanted to add a genre, you can have up to 3 of them. So we just click the edit button, and then we can fill in an extra genre. You can never edit the first genre. That one's automatically entered when you physically go ahead and download the music video, and because it's used as part of the folder ID. So when you're downloading and you've selected to stick it in a particular genre, if you were to change the first one, I wouldn't be able to find where you stored the music video. So anyways, that's why you can't edit the first one, but you can add or edit and replace the second and the third one. So you can put 2 different music video genres into the system by yourself. When you're done, you click the save button, and there you are. If you wanted to update the plot, in this case, it's not actually a plot, it's actually a song bio. So if you wanted to update the song bio, then you could go in here and you could edit the bio and put in information about it and change it. It's that simple. If you go to playlist, this is where we physically go ahead and make our own playlist. So what we'll see here is if we want to add a new playlist, we'll say, okay, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to make a playlist. And this playlist, we're going to call demo playlist. Okay? So when we add the playlist, the list becomes active. To add any item on this side, which is the general list, however big it is, all of your music videos would be in here. You double click and it goes over the list. And if we double click on the next one, it goes over the list. Oh, we didn't want this one? Double click on it, it gets removed from the list. As we scroll through the list so that we can see what it is, we see the artist, the title, the album it came from, and then we also see the poster that was designed by MovieFlow. This makes it very easy to see what we want and to set it up. Once you've got everything and all the things you want inside your list, okay, we'll go ahead and we'll click save. It's that simple. We've just generated a playlist. Now when we physically generate the music video flow HTML and you run it on your popcorn, there'll be a place and you could pick this demo playlist and play your own personal playlist. One of the easy functions inside of music video flow. So then we have the scan function. The scan function will go out and it'll look for new music videos or remove ones that have been deleted from your HTML files. So it's very simple. We click the scan button. It'll go out and search all the artists, come back, and then it'll automatically download fan art and poster art and album art and create posters all by itself for you during the use of the system. So there's a brief overview, a demo of how to use the user interface